Hi guys, today we discuss about how to create Angular project and how to deploy in server. First of all, create one folder. I have already created the folder and open that folder. Open your terminal, new terminal. Open my CMD. After opening terminal, if you have already existing Angular, create ng new your project name. Otherwise, you have to run this code. It will install the Angular. Angular was installed successfully. After that, you have to create the one Angular project. ng new your project name. Click on enter. It takes some time based upon your internet work. It have asking Angular routing. As of now, no. After that, select CSS. It taking some time for installing the packages. If you already have existing Angular, please go through ng new Angular project name. Don't have means only you can select npm install Angular CLI. Angular project was created. If you run ng sub, if you are showing like this means you didn't select the project name. As of now, it's showing the folder name only. cd angu. This is our project name. Now run ng sub. Open this URL. This is our Angular project. If you want your code means go to the project src. In src inside apps, in apps app.component.html. If you want to remove everything, write your logic. This is Angular project. After writing, click on save. After that, open your Chrome. It was showing. Now go to the code. Before that, you have to create two components because you want to redirect one component to another component. G means generate, C means component, or component name. Netlify, because this is not today we have to deploy in Netlify. It is like free website for deploying. Please click on enter. The Angular project component was created. Please create another one if you want. Now I am second one taking deploy. Click on enter. This is our two components, deploy work and Netlify work. Now we can see redirect, how to redirect one page to another page. Now here we have to write the routing. Constant routes. Just it's like a variable name. Router or route. It imports like Angular slash router. Not router, routes, ROUTES. Please import routes. After that you have to write the path. Curly braces, path. First initial page, what do you want? Like after running they have to display like some first page. I want first page was the netlify component. This is the component. Here after that we have to add another path for routing purpose. I will give the routing name netlify, same component, double column netlify. I will copy paste. After that, second component name path, deploy. This is my routing name, and a component name, deploy component. After that, do you have any other components? Please add the other component names. After that, in imports I have the import the router module. Router module dot for route. You have to write this name route for routing purpose. ROUT. Save it. 1 second, you have to run. How to run the code. ng sir. It's running. Okay, open this URL in browser. Now slash netlify. It's loading. Why it is not working is you have to add the router in app.html. This is because it is the parent component. We have to add the child components in parent component. I have to remove that one. I am adding router slash outlet. Now save it and check once in browser. It working, netlify works. Now I am changing the path name. You have to give the correct name DEP. Now it's work. Now we have to see the button click. After button click, it will have to redirect to another page. Go to the code and go to the netlify HTML. Here we have to add the button. You have to save or submit what you want you can add. Before that you have to add the click function. After clicking only it have to redirect. Now I am writing the save. You have to write this implementation in component.ts. Here we have to add the constructor. In this constructor you have to add the router link, private some router here. We have to import the Angular/routers. Here we can use this dot router dot navigate to some URL. The single quotes, you have to add this. After clicking the name, you have to redirect to the deploy component /deploy. Once save it, and you have to save this one also, and go to the code and refresh it. Here button we have to see. If you click the button, it automatically redirects to the another page. Now this code how to deploy in server for free website. Okay, now we can see the how to deploy in server. Now go to the browser, search netlify. This is the website where we have to deploy our Angular project, and we have to deploy in Firebase also. Now yesterday previous video I have deployed in Firebase. That's why now here I am deploying in netlify. Please sign up. It asking like GitHub. I have my name, username, password, and you have to log in with your credentials. Develop3 is my username and my password is, this is my project, my password, and sign in. Never. It will go to the verification code for our mail ID. Now I am entering the verification ID. Zero 5. It will directly go to our website. If you don't have an account, please create one account, and after that go to the site. This is our previous project I have deployed. Now go to our Angular code. First build our project. ng build. Now building our project. It takes some time for building. Please don't worry. Build successful. After building, you have to see in here bin folder is added. Before building, it didn't show the bin folder. Now we can deploy this dist folder only. We have to deploy. Not bin, sorry, the dist. It's like dictionary. Now here you have to deploy dist folder only. Go to the select the project name, reveal the file explorer. This is the now dist folder only we have to deploy in server. Please go to the site, and in that netlify project we have to select the sites. In that sites we have so many deployed. I have already deployed so many projects. Here we have to deploy. Go to the file explorer and we have to drag and drop, you have to select the folder also. Now I am drag and dropping the folder. Here we are showing the uploading. Please go, don't refresh. Once uploading, go to the production deploy. After going in the production deploy, we have to show the netlify works. So click on the save button. It will redirect to deploy. Now we have to change the path. Go to the site's configuration. Here we have to change the site name. Here we have to change our site name. Netlify Angular projects deploy. Once you enter your site name, please click on save. After that, click on here. We have to see the configuration of Angular projects deploys. Please click on this URL. It automatically changes the URL. If you click on save, it will redirect to another page. Now here we can see how to create Angular project and how to create components and how to redirect one page to another page, and finally how to deploy in server. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel.